everyone. I'm here at HydraFacial Nation with the beautiful
Eva Doty.
And I'm getting my first HydraFacial treatment. I'm so excited.
Perfect. So she has a little bit of a self-tanner on, and she'll just, a little bit will come off, but she'll have a beautiful glow after the HydraFacial.
And that's what you want, the natural glow.
Yeah, the natural.
Okay. You got it yesterday?
So you can notice the one side of her complexion.
Oh, definitely.
To the
Much
glow
more
has
hydrated.
begun. Yes. And here's the other side.
Wow. You're going to love these images.
Second step is going to be a peel, a glycolic peel.
This is weird not having any makeup on in
Oh,
front
you
of
look
a bunch
beautiful.
of people.
You look great.
What you see your skin.
Oh my gosh.
So you may feel a little tingling sensation.
It smells so nice too.
Yeah.
Does it? And now I'm going to have lots of fun because I'm going to do extractions.
Okay.
Painless extractions.
This extraction. This is super fast, you know?
Yes, it is.
It is. Yep.
In and out and the best skin you've ever
Totally-
had.
Yep. Totally at lunchtime peel.
Yeah.
Now put your tongue underneath your lip like this. Oh, I want a Zumba now. I hear they're exclusive.
Oh, wow. That's really cleaning everything out.
So the next step is our liquid gold, hyaluronic acid, peptides, antioxidants, and arnica.
What is arnica?
Arnica is a plant extract, and it's great for inflammation. A lot of plastic surgeons use it after they tell their patients to go on it for facelift so they don't bruise and are not so red.
Oh, got it. Right?
HydraFacial.
Beautiful.
Best skin of your life.
Yeah, bringing my skin back to life.
The waist. So you can see a couple, like if you put your phone, I can see there are a couple little blackheads in here.
Yeah, totally.